Okay, so if you're watching this, you've already completed the exit ticket and are just checking your answers. So if we take a look at this situation, in a recent survey, a magazine reported that the preferred room temperature in the summer is 68 degrees Fahrenheit. So I'm going to underline that. A wall thermostat, like the ones shown below, tell a room's temperature in degrees Fahrenheit. So we can see the temperature in Sarah's upstairs bedroom and her downstairs bedroom. So which bedroom is warmer than the recommended room temperature? So we're really just looking at which number is greater than 68 degrees. Okay, so obviously that's going to be the upstairs bedroom. Okay. Now the second part is which bedroom is cooler than the recommended room temperature. So it would be the one that's lower than 68 degrees, the downstairs bedroom. Okay. And then finally, and next on part C, Sarah notices that her room's temperature is 4 degrees Fahrenheit above the recommended temperature, and the downstairs bedroom's temperature is 4 degrees Fahrenheit below the recommended temperature. So she graphs 72 and 64 on a vertical number line and determines that they are opposites. Is Sarah correct? Well, in this case, no, she is not correct. Okay, 72 and 64 are not opposites because they're both positive numbers, so they're both on the same side of 0 on the number line. So in this case, they're not opposites because they're both positive numbers and they are not the same distance from 0. Remembering that opposite numbers are on either side of 0. So now if we move to letter D here, after determining the relationship between the temperatures, Sarah now decides to represent 72 degrees Fahrenheit as 4 and 64 degrees Fahrenheit as -4 and graphs them on the vertical number line. So graph 4 and -4 on the vertical number line on the right and explain what 0 represents in this situation. So if 0 is marked off right here, okay, +4 would be 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so we would mark that. And then -4 would be below 0. Okay, so now in this case, we're looking at 68 degrees Fahrenheit as our reference point. So in this case, the 0 is represented by 68 degrees Fahrenheit because that's the recommended room temperature. Okay? And as we look at whether we're above or below that recommended temperature, that's where we're getting into the positive, negative numbers.